Welcome to the Avaya training session for your new 9641 telephone. Comparing your former Aspect teleset to the 9641 phone, you will notice a difference in the button layout. The hold, transfer, and conference features will now be accessed using your touchscreen as opposed to the fixed feature buttons that appeared on the Aspect teleset. You will need to be on an active call in order to see the hold, transfer, and conference feature appear on your display. We will begin with a brief overview of the physical features of your new 9641 set. If your phone is idle, the home screen will show the number of missed calls, the extension number for the telephone set, and the current date and time. Customizable options such as a world clock, weather report, calculator, and phone settings can be accessed by simply touching the corresponding option on your screen. 16 of your favorite contacts can be stored on the home screen and can easily be dialed by touching the personalized icon. Directly below the display and above the dialing pad is the Contacts button. When pressed, you have the ability to add up to 250 entries into your contacts list by using the QWERTY keyboard that will appear on the display. Please keep in mind that a 9 will need to be entered first when storing external numbers. The Avaya Home button located next to the Contacts button will allow you to personalize your phone. Press the Avaya Home button to adjust sound and screen options. To the right of the Avaya Home button is the Call Log button. When pressed, this feature allows you to view a list of missed calls, incoming calls that were answered, and a list of outgoing calls that were made. On the left side of your phone, you will see a Message button. To access the voicemail system internally, press the Message button and you will hear the prompts to log into voicemail. In the upper right-hand corner of your phone, you will see the Message Waiting indicator. This will be lit solid red if you have new messages in your voicemail box. The Forward button will allow you to change the forwarding features on your phone. Press the Forward button to access the Send Calls feature, which will send your calls directly to voicemail, or you can choose Call Forward, which allows you to divert your calls to another internal extension. The headset and speaker buttons will allow you to activate and deactivate these features simply by pressing the button. To the right of the dial pad, you will see the volume bar. The volume bar adjusts the volume of the ringer, handset, and headset and speaker depending on which one is currently active when the volume button is pressed. Mute disables the microphone for the handset, headset, or speaker. To activate or deactivate this feature, simply press the mute button. You will see it backlit red if mute is active. Now we will review the 4 most common procedures you will perform using your 9641 set. First, answering a second call. As a call comes into your telephone, you will see a ringing bell icon as well as the caller ID for the incoming call. If you are on a call and you receive a second call, you will have the option on your display to answer the incoming call and put your current call on hold by touching Answer Hold. If you would like to disconnect from the call you are currently on and answer the incoming call, touch Answer Drop. You will also have a direct to voicemail option by touching To Voicemail, or to turn off the audible notification of an incoming call, touch Ignore. To place an active call on hold, touch Hold. If you would like to access another call appearance line to make a call while the party is holding, touch a free call appearance line and you will hear a dial tone. When you are ready to rejoin with your original caller, touch the line on hold. To transfer an active call, touch Transfer. This automatically places your current call on hold and you will now have a dial tone to dial the extension number you are transferring the caller to. When you are ready to complete the transfer, touch Complete. You can touch Complete while you are hearing ringing to perform an unannounced transfer, or you can wait until the party answers, privately announce the caller, and then touch Complete to transfer the call. If you need to cancel the transfer for any reason, touch Cancel to reconnect to your original caller. To create a conference call of up to 6 parties, including yourself, touch Conference while you are on an active call. This automatically places the first party on hold and you will hear a dial tone. Dial the internal or external number of the party you wish to add, and once the party answers, touch Join to connect all the parties together. To add additional parties, touch Add, dial the next number, and touch Join to bring all the callers together. To access the Features menu, touch the Features button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Touch the feature you would like to activate, such as a directory to access the company directory, or abbreviated program to store numbers on the SD or speed dial buttons. Please refer to the 9641 telephone training manual for more detailed instructions. To exit the Features menu and return to the main phone screen, press the Phone button. At the beginning of the day, you will need to log into your phone. To log in, touch Login and enter your 7-digit agent ID number followed by your 7-digit passcode. This number matches your agent ID number. You will automatically be placed in aux work, which is the unavailable mode. To make yourself available to receive calls waiting in your queue, touch Auto In. During the day, if you need to make yourself unavailable for queue calls, touch aux work and enter the appropriate reason code. To make yourself available once again to receive queue calls, touch Auto In. At the end of your day, touch Log Out to log out of your queue. Thank you and enjoy using your new 9641 phone.